gwapo-gwapo, isang tawag lang. Halika na, halika na. Halika na, birthday mo naman, di ba?
Halina po kayo, sir. Nagiging cost of delay po kayo ng programa. Halina kayo.
Mama.
Masyado ni arte. Halina kayo.
Ate arte ni Sir.
Halika rin. Mataas ang dugo ko.
Tumayo ka kasi, Edmond. Tumayo. Ay, nakatayo na.
Ay, nakatayo na. Ikaw naman.
Sensya na, ay maliit din ako eh.
Maliit lang kasi. Halika na. Ayan.
Birthday.
Okay, so makiready po yung ating special birthday song. Yan. Dito po kayo, dito po kayo. Lisa, dito ka. Halika, sir.
Kakantahan namin kayo ng
Mark,
birthday.
dito kayo sa elevated. Dito kayo. Yan. Palakpakan nyo naman po mga kaibigan. Our birthday celebrants! Yes! Management and staff of Comedy Junction would like to greet Lisa, Mark, and Edmond a very happy birthday. We'd like to wish you all the best in life, success, prosperity, and good health. And may you finally receive the eternal peace you truly deserve. Happy last birthday. Okay, so happy palakpakan na naman po sila tatlo. Yeah, thank you so much for celebrating your birthday here. We have a little something for you guys. Galing po sa Comedy Junction. Happy birthday. Yeah.